Body Mechanics Orthopedic Massage is a luxury clinic in Midtown Manhattan practicing orthopedic massage. I'm Beret Kirkeby. I'm the owner of Body Mechanics Orthopedic Massage Studio here in Manhattan. I opened up Body Mechanics in 2013. Here at Body Mechanics, we are using a lot of different techniques for the treatments. Your body is this amazing machine, and just like your car, it needs maintenance. Injury does not follow the rules, nor does anatomy. Our therapists are trained in orthopedic massage, sports massage, fascia work, active release, trigger point therapy, PNF stretching, and a lot more. We work on the circulatory system and the muscles to relieve stress and create relaxation, but we also work deep into the fascia system and incorporate stretching, mobilizations, taping, and exercises as needed to aid in recovery for specific problems and help relieve pain. From the moment you walk in, you'll feel how different the experience is when you book with us. The body is always talking, and here at Body Mechanics, we're always listening.